are Afghan refugees protesting in Delhi in front of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees.
We are here to raise our voice because we are since 30-40 years in here. There's nothing for us. We are totally, my brothers are in depression because we have nothing, we have no future, no education. We are in really bad situation, we want help from them.
हमारा दिमाग ये है कि हमें थर्ड कंट्री पे भेज दिया जाए, हमें कहीं और भेज दिया, इंडिया पे रहना हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है। हमें सालों साल से बर्दाश्त करें, भूखे बर्दाश्त करें, प्यासे बर्दाश्त करें, बच्चों की पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा है ठीक से, हमारा फ्यूचर यहाँ पे खराब है।
The refugees say they cannot even get a SIM card with the documents they currently possess. Access to education, jobs and housing are also unavailable. Protests are a common scene in India, yet this protest is unlike anything you would have seen before. These are Afghan refugees protesting in Delhi in front of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. Even as India is evacuating people escaping from the Taliban in Afghanistan, refugees who have long been living in India are protesting. In the streets of South Delhi's Lajpat Nagar, which is popularly called Little Kabul, the situation has been tense since the Taliban took over Afghanistan. This lively area is lined with Afghan eateries, bakeries, pharmacies, supermarkets and early as 1979. Why are these Afghan refugees protesting now and what are their demands? With the Taliban taking control of Afghanistan, these refugees have lost hopes of ever returning to their homeland. With all doors to Afghanistan now closed, they are left with no option but to make India their home. They are now protesting for basic needs and facilities which they have been denied for years. The refugees say they cannot even get a SIM card with the documents they currently possess. Access to education, jobs and housing are also unavailable.
You give us any resident, we are as a refugee, and it is a current national right to us to ask UNICEF for resettlement, but UNICEF doesn't give the refugees the resettlement. They told us that no right to resettlement to refugees.
According to the UN's reports from 2020, about 16,000 Afghan refugees are currently living in India. Most of them moved here years ago in hopes of a better future. But lack of proper IDs and documents have put a hold on their dreams. Majority of these refugees don't even have visas. They have been residing in India with just papers that validate them to be asylum seekers and IDs issued by the UNHCR. The protest is being led by the Afghan Solidarity Committee, which is an umbrella organization of Afghan refugees in India. It has been going on since Monday, with refugees refusing to relent until their demands are met. Some of their major demands include issuing them with long-term and resident visas, changing their status from asylum seekers to refugees,